A is a point 5, minus 5 and B is a point 9, 3. Now they are asking us to find the midpoint of AB and length of AB. So what is midpoint of AB? If they are giving 2 points and if you want to find the midpoint of that, we can use one formula. What is the midpoint of AB? We can tell like this: x1 plus x2 by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. So what is x1 or x2 means? This is x comma y. Yes, same way this is another x comma y. So since we are having 2 points, I'm going to label like this: x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2. You can change anything. Even you can label this as x1 y1, this as x2 y2. There is no problem. What is the logic means? You are adding the x coordinate value and dividing it by 2. You're averaging this from here to here. What is the distance divided by 2? That will give you midpoint. Same way, you're adding the y coordinates. You're adding vertical distance and divide it by 2. Yes. So we'll proceed with this. So what is the first thing? 5 plus 9 by 2, comma, minus 5 plus 3 divided by 2. So what is 5 plus 9? It is 14. 14 by 2 is 7. And minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. So 7 comma minus 1 is the midpoint. Next, they are asking you to find the length of AB. I'll copy down the values of A, this one, A and B, 9 comma 3. Okay. So we'll go down. Yes. Find the length of AB. What is meant by length of AB? So if you are having 2 points A and B and the distance between that is the length of A and B. To do this, we are having a formula. What is that? Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. How we got this formula means it's an application of Pythagoras theorem. Yes, in Pythagoras theorem, you'll be having like this, right? So that is what is this is hypotenuse. This distance is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square, right? So this base square is what is the base? It is the horizontal distance of 2 points. So it is x2 minus x1. This is the point A, point B. x2 minus x1 gives you horizontal distance. In same way, vertical distance is given by y2 minus y1. So we are applying Pythagoras theorem here. So what we are going to do? This is 5 minus 9. You can change the point. So here I am having this as a point 2, right? So I'll write 9 minus 5. Even if you change, there is no problem. If you're taking x1 from this point, then y1 is also from this one. You should be conscious about that. So 9 minus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus minus 5 the whole square. Yes. So why there is no problem if we interchange the numbers means anyhow we are going to square the number. Even the number is positive or negative, if you are interchanging also you will get the same value. Yes. Okay. So 9 minus 5 is 4 square plus 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 square. So that is root 16 plus 64. So 16 plus 64 is 80 and root 80 is root 80, that is equal to 4 root 5. The answer is 4 root 5.